my wonderful women. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is these multicolored saris. These are all half gicha saris where I have mixed and matched my blouses according to the multicolors, navy blue and then this deep green, and then with the red and with the buttons on both the sleeves. So it comes this way, and we have two different varieties of stuff saris today. One would be this half gicha sari, the next would be the half tissue saris, both with value added, and it's going to be a colorful day for you guys today. Let me start the show. The first sari is this which I am wearing, and these ranges could be right from 2800 to 4000 ranges in between. So if you need any assistance, you can feel free to WhatsApp 958-550-1762. Let's start this show. And the second sari is this comes with the blouse, and this is a multicolored sari, and this is the blouse for this where you can create your own stuff. And then the next sari is this. See this, such an amazing sari. See, this comes with this way, and this is the blouse part. All the blouse comes with similar more or less of the sari color where you can mix and match the blouses, and then this is the sari. See this, and it comes with a running blouse. All right, and the next sari is this. See this. So this is the sari, and this is the pallu. All comes with the running blouse. You can find the blouses in our photography also. See this, so nice and amazing. This is the pallu part, and this is the sari as such. So nice. It's a half gicha sari, and it is very easy and comfortable to wear. Right now how I am wearing this. We have got nearly 35 saris in this episode, so that you can shop according to your taste and colors. It's a grey color with a zari motifs, and this is the zari motif pallu. Alright, it's a peachish color, multicolored, and this is the dupatta with tassels. One more peachish color with multicolors, and with this is the pallu part for this. See this, it's all with a subtle zari. These are all half gicha sari, and this is the pallu part. It comes with the running blouse, and I've got colors in this. The second color is this deep maroon color. Hope you guys enjoy seeing our new video and the new style of taking the video also. We are just trying new things. See this. This is how the sari comes with the temple border, and this is the pallu part. You can mix and match the blouses. Blouses are the most important thing, I personally feel, where you can create your own blouses. This is the pallu. This comes with a temple border. And then see this same, but with a purple color. And this is the pallu part with a temple border. So you guys are enjoying seeing our video, hopefully. See this, all multicolored, not with similar colors, multicolored. This is the sari, and this is the pallu portion. Hope you guys can see that. And see this is the sari. It's a beautiful blue color, and then this is the pallu. All are half gicha saris. This is the sari, and this comes with the pallu part. It's a purple color, and then comes a deep blue color sari, and this is the pallu part for this on both the borders. It's a deep blue multicolored, and then see this is a modal. This one fabric is different from the other fabrics with embroideries on both the sides, temple embroidery, and this is the pallu. the beautiful, amazing colors these are all. And this is the border on both the sides, and this is the pallu and blouse will be the same. And the next sari is this. See this. These are all half tissue saris. This comes with a running blouse, and you can find beautiful hand embroideries with French knots all over. And this is the pallu part. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. If you need any assistance, please feel free 958550176. This is a purplish color. For the light, the color may vary little bit, so that you can log on to our website and see the product and then place your orders. This comes with the beautiful French knots. It comes still here, and then it is plain. Alright. And then this. All are half tissue saris. These could be the range from 2800 to 4800 ranges. And this is the pallu part, all over body embroidery. See this. Such an amazing sari. It's a very subtle golden sari with a pale purple matching border and all over embroideries. And then this is half tissue by cotton. It's really soft and amazing. It can be called as a slim fit sari, where you find all over designs. And this is the pallu. For all these, the blouses are running blouses. And then this comes this way, and this is the pallu part. And this is a full tissue. It's not with cotton, it's a tissue sari, and it comes with an amazing border. Here it's a small border, and one more is a big border. And this is the all over embroidery, and this is the pallu part, where the blouse is a contrast jacquard matching blouse. Hope you are enjoying seeing the colors and different styles of saris this episode. And this is the pallu part. Pallu is contrast in this, and the blouse is a tissue blouse. And then next sari is this. It's a plain tissue, silver tissue, and this is the pallu part, and the blouse is a running blouse for this. Contrast matching blouse for this. What's next is this. See this. This is the tissue sari, and with embroideries on the border. Here this comes this way. Alright guys, and this is the pallu part, and the blouse is a beautiful contrast matching blouse, where you can find camel motifs, golden motifs all over the blouse. So if you mix and match, the sari is really amazing. And one more color is this. See this. This how it looks, and the matching is this. Alright. And then comes this green. And this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part for this. So hope you enjoy seeing our video, and can place your orders according to your taste and preference. See, this is the sari, tissue sari. It's a little what to say, silkish also, and it has a border on both the sides and a beautiful jacquard matching blouse. These are all tissues, only tissues without any mixed. And then the second color is this. It's a purple kind of navy blue kind of thing, and this is the blouse for this. The sari looks this way, and this is the pallu part. See this. And in tissues we have got two materials set wise, and this is the top, and this is the dupatta for this, floral dupatta, and this comes with the pant, where I have got one more color is this. See this pink, peachish pink color with a contrast matching dupatta and with a pant. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. gmail.com, or else if you need any assistance, 958-550-1762. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of different concepts and new arrivals. Thank you so much and bye.